Hello, hello, check. Short and sweet. Take this opportunity.
ईश्वर पे स्लो ये सरकार खास ने मन तांगी कमियो ये enhancement jongka tulop jongi ti ngimban si shu banginwan syagani ka platform namar bangila dap ila longo kat kung ka jingkiu jongka mar ka mata menta ti kala ta bhai ka po jongi kayeng kasan jongi idan lagi jongki kun kiti. So for that reason we came here, because for 8 years now we have been deprived of not enhancing our salary. So in which we have given 100% of our dedication, not 100, maybe more than that also a point of time, which we have to come today to put our requests to the government. As we know that we are also the government servants, we know how to follow the rules and regulation. We have to be very, since we are working in a particular organization where we have to, with our own roles, with our own values, with our own character and personality, we replace this to each and everyone, the children of the state. So for that reason, we want to sit in demonstration for a peaceful, so that the government could listen